Vivo Y15 has hotspot not working or hotspot connection problem. Hello friends, hope so all of you doing well. As I already told you, we are going to fix hotspot problem in Vivo Y15s. First of all, just don't forget to subscribe if you are first time on this channel and also press the bell icon. Let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix hotspot connection problem or personal hotspot not working problem in Vivo Y15s, just tap on settings and follow every single step and watch complete video carefully to fix this problem.